Hey all, welcome to Really Britain. Folks, tonight I got a beer for you. Now this one comes again from the Half Barrel Brewery. And it's Fraser Withers Honey Mild at 3.5%. Now, mild stouts and porters are my favourite style of beer. And what is interesting about this beer is this is a mild, but it's been conditioned with honey. So what you should get is a lovely honey sweetness to the beer and that honey flavour. Whereas when honey is added to the boil, sometimes it leaves quite a distinctive, in my words, it's like a urine smell. So I'm really looking forward to trying this. As always, I'm going to pour it into my dimple glass because I think milds need to be in these types of glasses, the dimple glasses, as well as bitters. So let's crack this bad boy open. Let's see what it's going to be like. So Half Barrel Brewery's Honey Mild at 3.5%. So the beer is opened with a lovely, lovely hiss. And let's go straight in with the pour. So the beer is pouring with really good carbonation and has a wonderful, wonderful, look at that, folks. Look at that. This beer is poured a 2-finger head, just off white in colour, tightly packed bubbles. And the beer itself is a deep chestnut brown in colour with a tint of orange to it. Now, I would say that this is probably the lightest looking mild I've seen. Let's go straight in with the nose. Jesus. Oh my good God. Bam, 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 bam. All you get is honey. There's a little bit of coffee. You're actually picking up a lovely kind of light chocolate malt. Very much like Galaxy. That's really smooth, creamy chocolate. But the honey's there, folks. It is there. Cheers. Whoa. Whoa. Okay. So the first thing you get is you get this really, really smooth honey. You get a little bit of caramel. There's a little bit of toffee. There's a light nuttiness to the beer. Then you get Fuggles hops. You get the earthiness of Goldens as well. For 3.5%, the body's good. For me, it's just a tad over carbonated. But let me tell you, that is the way to go. Sticking honey in to condition the beer gives the full flavour of the honey. This is an exciting beer. It's 3.5%. It's not strong. It's very, very sessionable. I would love to try this on a hand pull because obviously you wouldn't get that carbonation. I reckon you would get a smoother and a more intense honey flavour. Folks, I'm going to go in for more. What's the finish like? The finish is malty. The finish is light chocolatey and nuts, which leads to a lovely, lovely honey sweetness on the back end. What do I give Half Barrel Brewery for their Honey Mild at 3.5%? Mr. Fraser Withers. Listen to me, folks. It's a 9 out of 10. It's a 9 out of 10. The only thing I would do is try and let the carbonation down. That's Really Britain doing a review on Half Barrel Brewery's Honey Mild at 3.5% ABV. Cheers, Slamacara.